the Happy Garden, even a rainy day can become a new adventure.
Raindrops are just sky giggles. And the sky sure loves to laugh today.
Here it comes! The rain's starting!
Wait, did you hear that, Squirrel?
Hear what? Hear what?
Please, I can't move my wing. Oh no! Oh no! We need to help! You call that a splash? Watch this!
No fair! You got me all wet!
Don't worry, little one. We're coming! It's okay, you're safe now.
I'm so cold.
You'll be okay, buddy. We've got ya!
We'll keep you dry until the rain stops. I was flying home, but the storm came so fast. Don't worry, we'll help you get there.
Let's take Birdy to the big oak tree.
Good idea. I'll lead the way.
Together, they braved the storm for their friend.
Hold tight, Birdy. We're almost there.
Just a few more hops.
There, you're safe now, little one. It's warm here.
You saved me. Thank you.
We're the Happy Garden Rescue Squad. Rain or shine.
Captain Squirrel to the rescue.
And slowly, the storm began to fade away.
Look! I can move my wings again!
That's wonderful! You're so strong!
See? Even rain brings something beautiful.
A rainbow's coming.
Thank you, my friends. I'll visit again soon. Another Happy Garden success! I'll never forget you both.
We did a good thing today.
Yeah, and got soaked doing it. They laugh warmly.
The Happy Garden shined brighter than ever, after a storm full of friendship and care.
When hearts stay kind, even the darkest clouds pass in color.
Remember, friends, helping others makes every day brighter, even the rainy ones. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time in the Happy Garden.